Most popular databases. Object-oriented databases. An object database is a database management system in which information is represented in the form of objects is used in object-oriented programming. Object databases are different from relational databases which are table-oriented. Object-relational databases are a hybrid of both approaches. Object-oriented databases list. Object-oriented databases list. RDF stores. Database is a triplestore or RDF store is a purpose-built database for the storage and retrieval of triples through semantic queries. A triple is a data entity composed of subject-predicate-object, like Bob is 35 or Bob knows Fred. RDF stores. Databases list. RDF stores. Databases list. Wide column stores. Database is a wide column store or extensible record stores is a type of NoSQL database. It uses tables, rows, and columns, but unlike a relational database, the names and format of the columns can vary from row to row in the same table. The wide column store can be interpreted as a two-dimensional key-value store. Wide column stores. Databases list. Wide column stores. Databases list. Multivalue databases. Multivalue database is a type of NoSQL and multidimensional database. Multivalue databases differ from a relational database in that they have features that support and encourage the use of attributes which can take a list of values, rather than all attributes being single-valued. Multivalue databases list. Multivalue databases list. Native XML databases. An XML database is a data persistence software system that allows data to be specified, and sometimes stored, in XML format. This data can be queried, transformed, exported and returned to a calling system. XML databases are a flavor of document-oriented databases which are in turn a category of NoSQL database. Native XML databases list. Event stores. Databases. An event store is a type of database optimized for storage of events. Conceptually, in an event store, only the events of a dossier or policy are stored. The idea behind it is that the dossier or policy can be derived from these events. Event stores. Databases list. Content stores. Database is a content repository or content store is a database of digital content with an associated set of data management, search and access methods allowing application-independent access to the content, rather like a digital library, but with the ability to store and modify content in addition to searching and retrieving. Content stores. Database is a content repository acts as a storage engine for a larger application such as a content management system or a document management system, which adds a user interface on top of the repository's application programming interface. Content stores. Databases list. Navigational databases. A navigational database is a type of database in which records for objects are found primarily by following references from other objects. The term was popularized by the title of Charles Bachman's 1973 Turing Award paper, The Programmer as Navigator. IDS became the basis for the CODASYL database model in 1969. Navigational databases list.